More people are shipping code than ever before. AI tools are making it even faster. The number of releases going out every hour is only going up. But the way we communicate what shipped has not changed at all. So here is something I want you to try. Open any GitHub repo and just read the latest commits and changelog. You are probably gonna see something like fix bug, feat new agent, and that's it. No context. You have no idea what actually changed or whether it affects you. And if you are a developer in France or Japan or China, it's not even in your language. You are just dealing with it. So I built PushNotes to fix it. You just have to type the URL and hit generate. The whole thing is one input. No sign up, no account, nothing. Let me show you what's actually happening while this loads. Most tools just grab your commit messages and revert them. That's it. So your changelog ends up just as vague as it started. What I am doing instead is pulling the actual file diffs from the GitHub, sending that raw context to the Gemini and asking it what changed, why did it change, and who's going to be affected by it. So instead of updated auth module, your reader gets a detailed changelog in their own language. And as soon as that ready, it comes straight back to you. Database saves in the background. You are not waiting on anything. So look at this. Proper release headline titles for each change. Actual descriptions that tells you what happened and why it matters. Now watch this. First time someone picks a language, Lingo.dev translates the whole thing and it is cached permanently in the cloud database. So the next person who opens this in Japanese, it's already there. I never translate the same thing twice. And here we have a TTS. Native voice, native accent. Okay, so this is the part I'm most excited about. Think about someone who's not a developer at all. A project manager, a team lead, someone who genuinely cares about what shipped, but can't read a pull request. Right now, their only option is to ask a developer and wait. This is what I built for them. Here, every package is a node. Every file orbits its package. Red means that file was touched by 3 or more commits, and green is stable. A product manager can look at this for 10 seconds and immediately know where the team was working, which areas are risky, and what the blast radius of this release actually was. No explanation needed, nothing. Click any file and you get every commit that touched it, the actual difference, the exact lines. Now hitting explain and Gemini writes the analysis right there. So it is natively in whatever language is active, not translated from English. Think about where we are heading. More people are shipping code than ever before. Designers, product managers, founders, people who never call themselves developers are pushing to GitHub every single day. AI tools are making it even faster. The number of releases going out every hour is only going up. But the way we communicate what shipped has not changed at all. Still vague, still in English, still written for nobody in particular. That wall should not exist. It never needed to exist. We just never had the tools to remove it. Until now.